आपको ये पिक्चर्स बहुत कॉमन लग रहे होंगे। ये तो हम लोगों की डे टू डे लाइफ है, मोबाइल में लगे रहना, लैपटॉप में लगे रहना। एंड द आइसिंग ऑफ द केक इज़ कोविड में तो और भी ज़्यादा, क्लासेस ऑनलाइन, वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो या बच्चों का होमवर्क हो, ऑल इज़ ऑन मोबाइल। हमारी लाइफ एक मोबाइल के आसपास सिमट के रह गई है। टेक्नोलॉजी ने बहुत एडवांसमेंट कर ली है, पर क्या टेक्नोलॉजी हमें और भी कुछ दे रही है? यस, टेक्नोलॉजी हमें दे रही है टेक्स्ट नेक सिम्टम्स। द नेक्स्ट टाइम you are in a public place, look around. Notice how many people are hunched over using their mobile or any other devices. Poor posture while constantly looking down at the cell phone or any device places a lot of strain on the neck or the cervical spine, which is called text neck. And according to the recent reports, it can really result in a permanent harm. When your head is upright, the upper part of the spine is correctly aligned for the minimal stress on the muscles, bones, and discs. But when you go down, when you bend down, this stress increases. Let's learn some exercises for text neck syndrome. You need to, with your neck straight first, you need to look around your whole 4 directions: left, right, up, then down, and both the sides. You need to side flex too. Repeat 5 times. Second exercise, you need to place your hand like this, other hand behind your back, 90 degree here, 90 degree there, between 45. Look straight and then look down and give a little stretch on your neck. As you can see here, you will feel a stretch at this area of neck. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then relax. Then again do it. This is how you can perform this second exercise again 5 times. Then third exercise will be both the hands behind your head. Look up and open your hands as much as you can and then close them. Again, this is again 5 times. Fourth exercise will be, you need to tuck your chin in. You need to touch your chin inside. You need to push it backward. There will be a neck movement, as you can see here. This neck movement, we need it. Then fifth will be, you need a towel for that. Roll it, lie down, put this rolled towel under your neck, and then again the same movement. You need to tuck your chin in. You will feel some stretch behind your neck.